Does this have any alcohol or free?
Yeah, it's got alcohol.
Something new today. We are trying the Taste of London Festival in Regent's Park. I'll take you around with me and we'll try the food together. I eat and you comment. We've made it through a shortcut because of a baby, and the queue is very, very long. And we're very lucky to have some clouds today. Okay, I think I'm going to take it myself to مذاق الثقافة السعودية, to the Saudi one, and then I will give that a try. There are cooking classes taking place here. People are getting asked to wash their hands and follow the steps of cooking. Very nice, very nice. Nice seats. South Africa is here. Still trying to find the Saudi tent.
And it's reduced our carbon footprint by 90%.
Okay, here I am. Finally find the spot of the Saudi. لقينا الخيمة السعودية. شوفوا البليلة والمتجر، مرة حلو. هنروح نضيف حالنا قهوة، ناخذكم معانا بمذاق الثقافة العربي. We are in the مطبخ section now. We'll see how it goes. Hello. Introducing مطبخ to a non-Saudi. Thank you very much. Lovely. Thank you. We go to Hanif, which is a very slow meat. The ice cream, كليجة. يا سلام. بالطريقة السعودية. حبيت. كليجة. لمحبين النودلز عاملين سكشن كامل للنودلز اليوم، يتعلموا طباخة النودلز وايش المتطلبات وكل هالاشياء. We're gonna try some noodles now. Thank you very much.
انت شلي امسكي بس.
Next stop is noodles. I don't know where to go or what to eat. I'm going to consult my group. Which way? This way? You want to walk or this way? كذا ولا كذا؟
أي مكان.
نكمل كذا بعدين ندور؟
This is the third target, maybe.
Obviously, there's a lot of touristic places here who are advertising their bags and stuff. Tofu vegan. So I came here for the mantu, and the rice and chicken, and this is the Afghani kitchen, as you can see. على كل شيء احنا نسأل إذا في ألكول أو لا. في ما في ألكول. What's your flavors?
Strawberry, raspberry lemonade, and ginger turmeric. That's water kefir. These two are kombucha.
I'll try one of those.
Please do. And we're selling
Thank
the
you.
bottles and cans.
Nice.
And we're making cocktails or mocktails of them.
Lovely. Thank you so much. I can see you in the mirror as well. Hello. هذول أصحابي اللي أشتري منهم my favorite granola. يبيعوا اليوم آيس كريم samples. صراحة أجرب أشوف.
Wow.
Well, you can get this one's good as well because you've got 50 grams of protein and 5 grams of fibre. So it's natural.
I think I'm gonna try the coca. There's a matcha and something with peach, mango and peach. Iced coffee. I would love iced coffee, but I can't be bothered to queue. Ellie. Now we can see Disney. Do ice cream here. Hello.
There we go. Are you all together?
They're going to fill it up.
So did you say we're going to find you in flight soon?
Yeah, so British Airways, we're going, the cookies, we just done a big job.
Nice one.
Yeah, but we got 2 million social media followers for our cheesecake brand, so yeah, pretty good actually.
I'm gonna give this a try.
I'll leave you in their cable
Thank you
hands.
so much.
Yeah, I want chocolate vanilla. I'll tell you. Yeah.
So you choose your base and then you add the flavor. Hello, good, good. I'm going to try it. Yes, please. The pistachio, please. Thank you so much. That's the pistachio there.
No, the sounds like the stuff out here.
I'm not a big fan of matcha, so I will leave it. I will give it a miss. Very busy. We tried some Afghani food, Saudi, ice cream, lots of healthy things, and everything tastes just good. Does this have any alcohol or free?
Yeah, it's got alcohol.
No problem, thank you. We had to ask every time about the drinks if it has alcohol or not, to be careful.